So it was like a custom cone?
Yeah,
like you mentioned?
It's Otis built his coils. They're dual 1.6s because it's supposed to be. I have another 15 that I was going to wire down to 0.7 to give it a true 1 ohm. One thing I hate about these Florida shows is they're fucking hot.
Hot? Yeah. You wanna give me a real quick what all's in here for the video?
Alright, so it's a Sundown ZV5, Otis coils, upgraded spiders, SPL Surround, and then we've got a 3/4 double baffled Birch box. I just stained it Ebony just because, and got an Audio Legion 5K at 1.6 on it, and massive, all my mids and highs, and amp for all the doors. And I've also got a stunt wall that I'll probably have for Slamfest. That'll be across the back.
Okay, so you're gonna install that? Got it.
I actually got it built. I just got to run all the power to the bed.
Okay. What is this amp wired to?
It's 1.6.
1.6. Okay. So it was like a custom cone?
Yeah,
like you mentioned?
It's Otis built his coils. They're dual 1.6s because it's supposed to be. I have another 15 that I was going to wire down to 0.7 to give it a true 1 ohm. But I think I'm going to go a different direction when I do my blow through.
Okay.
But see if we can get a good song going here.
Yeah, man. Have you metered it?
I have not.
I'm just curious.
Not one time, actually.
One day, just throw in a meter, just see how it does. You never know. All right.
If you tell she's been getting a workout today.
Oh yeah, definitely. I'm gonna get some outside flex. Is that all right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
I'll get something else going.
Yeah, let me see if she can come in real quick. Hey, Jess. I'm gonna let her sit in here for a minute. Is that all right?
Yeah, that's fine.
It feels really good right here. She can get in for a minute. I'm AC too. It is really hot today. 98 degrees.
did it on cam. Wasn't no video dance. Make my own rules. I really don't pick, I just choose. I don't set these, I just shoot. Chopping his screw. I told her his spew all beat. My own rules. Put it on top. You wanna put me on top. Put in the box, let him move on the top. Drop the move on the drop. Tryna move on the sky and we move that deep. Tryna run down to the steep.
Yeah, this one might be a little better for the outside.
All right, sure, man. Yeah. Let's do one more. Yeah, that one's good. That's a good one. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.